Okay, I'm pretty close to the speakers on this TV, and it actually has some pretty good speakers on it too. Let's see how loud we are right now. Okay, so this is probably about normal volume because the key click sound has been basically reduced as compared to other sounds like coming out of the pokey chip or whatever. So this is probably pretty much where I would normally have things set to. But let's go ahead and crank this volume up and see. Like right now I don't really hear any background noise. I don't hear any hum. So let's crank it up. Okay, there's full volume. And you can hear something. I wouldn't really call it a hum. Let's see how loud the keys are though. This is probably going to be pretty loud. Yeah. So you're not going to have it that high of a volume, I don't think. And even at that point, it's still the background's still not very loud, and whatever it is, it's not like a 60 cycle hum or whatever. Maybe that's more like the switching, some harmonic of the switching of the power adapter or something. I'm not really sure.